O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us. Fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Open your eyes, all of you. So today we will start our workbook, chapter 5, subtraction. Before that, just we can revise the chapter. Okay. So what is the meaning of subtraction, Maidili? Meaning of subtraction.
Difference.
Meaning of subtraction. Once again.
Remaining.
Meaning of subtraction.
Good Lord.
Remaining.
Taking away is called subtract. And which symbol we use for subtraction, Prarthana?
Subtraction
Or we
meaning.
can define subtraction as counting the number of objects remaining or left over is also known as subtraction. And we have the next one. Next, we studied the answer on subtraction is called, Henry, what we will call the answer on subtraction? What we will call the answer on subtraction? We call it as difference. Henry, are you remembering? Difference. Okay. And next we studied how to subtract using our fingers. And when we subtract 0 from a number, what is the answer, Tirtha? When we subtract 0 from a number, what is the answer?
We get the same number.
We get same number. And when we subtract 1 from a number, what is the answer? Edel Maria.
Sorry. Before number.
The number just before. The number before.
Before it.
And when we subtract 0 from a some number, we get the same number. And when we subtract a number from itself, what is the answer? Edelan, a number from itself.
0.
0. When we subtract a number from itself, we get 0. Okay. Now, all are ready with the workbook? So please take
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Take page number 1. The same page you can see on the screen also.
Page number.
Page number 1.
Ma'am.
Page number 1.
Completed.
Now, all of you listen here and we have first multiple choice questions. Very simple. Are you ready? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. I already started.
Multiple choice questions. Okay. And look at the objects given. Look at the objects given. A few of them are crossed out in each question. Write the remaining number of objects. You can see the first one. Malavika, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
How many bananas are there? First one.
3.
How many bananas are there?
3.
I asked how many total I asked.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 bananas. Out of the 6 bananas, how many are
3.
crossed?
3.
How many are crossed? 3.
3.
3 are crossed. What is remaining?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 3.
3.
Which option is 3?
B.
B. So write the option B inside the bracket and put a tick mark for B.
Completed.
Johan Judy, what about the next one?
Ma'am.
John Judy, what about the next one? How many rabbits are there?
1, 2, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How many are there?
8.
8. Out of this 8, how many are crossed?
4.
4. What is remaining? What is remaining?
Option 4.
Ah, 4 are remaining. So which option is the correct answer?
C. Option C.
C. Option C. So write the letter C inside the bracket and put tick mark for C option 4.
Ma'am, Sarah, please read.
Yes. Read the
Ma'am,
third one.
Sadhana,
Look at the third one.
completed.
How many are
4.
there? How many cakes are there?
4.
4. Out of the 4, 1 is crossed. What is remaining?
3.
3. So which option is the correct answer?
C.
C. That means 3. So put tick mark for C option and write the letter C inside the brackets. Abhinav MP, completed.
Yes,
Abhinav?
ma'am.
Yes. Now look at the fourth one. Abhinav, read. Abhinav, read the fourth one. Again, multiple choice questions. Look at the fourth one and read.
The
DIFFERENCE. Difference.
different
BETWEEN. Between.
between
The difference between
and 3
6 and 3 is dash. Difference means what? We have to subtract the numbers. Here the numbers are 6 and 3. That means 6 minus 3. What is the answer? 6 minus 3? Others, please be quiet. Abhinav, 6 minus 3. Open 6 fingers. From that close 3 fingers.
3.
Now close 3 fingers. What's remaining? What's remaining? Louder.
Option 3.
What is the answer?
3.
3. So which option is 3?
D.
D. So write the letter D inside the bracket and put a tick mark the option D. The difference between 6 and 3, that means 6 minus 3 is 3. Option D is the correct answer. Shall we move to the next page?
Yes,
Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Now, question 5. Number 5.
Ma'am.
Listen here, listen here. In the given picture, comma, cross out the table with only 2 items. Cross out the table with only 2 items. How many tables are left? You can see tables. On the table, you can see some objects also. So having 2 items, if it is only 2 items, you have to cross that table. Okay. Now look at the first table. Anna Catherine, unmute and tell me. First table, how many items are there?
2.
2. So that we can cross. All of you cross it. Next table, how many items are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 items are there. So that we should not cross. Look at the third one. Third table is empty. So no need to touch that. Look at the fourth one. Look at the fourth one. Prarthana, how many items are there on the fourth one?
1, 3.
Fourth table, how many items are there?
2.
Here you can see only 2. So here also you can cross. Okay. And below. Look at the next one. Nothing is here on the table. So that you can leave. Look at the next one. 6th table. There also you can see 2 items. So that you can cross. See the next one. There also 2 items only. So that also you can cross. And the last table you can see 3 items. No? So that we no need to touch. So here we did the table having 2 items we crossed. Okay. And what is the question? How many tables are left? Megadarsh, how many tables are left?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many tables are left?
4.
4. See, Megadarsh, how many tables are left? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, which is the correct option here? We can see option A 5, option B 4, option C 9, option D 6. Which option? B. So, write the letter B inside the bracket and put a tick mark for option B 4. Now, question number 6. Shall we move to 6? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In the given picture, you can see the picture. In the given picture, cross out the animals which can fly. You can see some animals can fly and some cannot fly. So you have to cross out the animals which can fly. Find the number of animals left. Okay. Anaya, what about the first one? It can fly?
Yeah.
It can, no. So no need to touch. What about the next one? Butterfly? Yes. Unmute Anaya. So you can cross that butterfly. Okay. What about the next one? It can fly?
No.
No. What about the next one? You can see a bee. It can fly. So that you can cross out. Then what about the next one?
No.
No. What about the next one?
No.
The fish.
No.
It can't fly. Then next one?
Yes.
A bird. So it can fly. And the next one?
No. No.
So find the number of animals left. How many are left? Count it.
1,
1,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5. So here you can see the option A 10, option B 4, option C 5, option D 8. So which is the correct option?
Option C 5.
Option C 5. So put a tick mark for option C and write the capital letter C inside the bracket.
B.
Mohammad Rishan, you have the text workbook with you? You are traveling?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So look at the next one. Fill in the blanks. Question number 7. 5 minus 1. What is the answer, Mohammad?
4.
4. So
Four.
the answer is 4. So all of you write answer 4. Okay, good boy. 5 minus 1. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before it. The before number is 4. So the answer is 4. Now, Dhruva, listen to me. Next one is number 8. A line on which we write numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on is called a dash. Are you remembering? We draw a line, we are writing numbers. What we will call? Number line. Very good. Very good. Now write the answer. N-U-M-B-E-R number L-I-N-E. Number line. N-U-M-B-E-R-L-I-N-E. Number line. N-U-M-B-E-R-L-I-N-E. Number line. Shrutakirti, please unmute. And look at the next one, 9th one. Please read the 9th question.
D.
S-Y-M-B-O-L. Symbol.
Symbol of for
Of
subtraction.
4. F-O-R. 4. The symbol for
Subtraction
you can see the symbol is
Is
Read as. What we will read? Symbol for subtraction. What we will read?
minus.
Minus. What is the spelling of minus?
M-I-N-U-S.
M-I. N. Us. Yes. M-I-N-U-S. Minus. M-I-N-U-S. Minus. M-I-N-U-S. Minus.
Completed.
Now, next one. Question number 10. Hayan, please unmute Hayan.
Ma'am.
S. U-S-I-N-G. Using
Using
F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Using fingers. Subtract 6 from 7. 6 from 7. What is the meaning of that? 6 from 7?
7 from 6. 7 from 6.
7. No. 6 from 7. What is the meaning of that?
7 minus 6.
7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. Okay. 7 minus 6. What is the answer? 7 minus 6, Hayan?
2.
7 minus 6. Hayan, listen here. Others, please be quiet. Hayan, open your fingers. 7 fingers, Hayan. Only 7. Okay. Now you close 6 fingers. Close 6 fingers.
1.
What is the answer, Hayan?
1.
1. So 7 minus 6, the answer is 1. 7 minus 6, the answer is 1. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1.
Completed.
Now question number 11. Shall we move to 11?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now question number 11. Cross out the kids with the balls in the picture. The next page you can see some kids with the balls. Cross out the kids with the balls in the picture. How many kids with the other activities remain? Without ball, how many kids are there? That we have to find out. Let us take the next page. The same page you can see on the screen. So we have to cross out the kid with a ball. Okay? We have to cross out the kid with a ball. What about the first one? She's having the ball, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I crossed.
So let us cross her. All of you close it.
Ma'am.
Edel, close it.
Ma'am.
Then what about the next girl? She is having ball?
No.
No. And next one?
No.
No. And next one?
No.
He is doing karate, no? And what about the next one? What about the next one?
Yes.
You can see ball with the him. So that you have to cross.
Yes.
And the next one?
Yes.
There also you can see a ball. So that also you can cross. And the next one? No ball. Okay, it's a ring. And below the both pictures, below, first one is having the ball. So cross out.
Finished.
The next one, no ball.
No more.
And the next one,
Yes.
yes. And the next one,
No.
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 The next one, having a cricket bat, but a no ball. And the next one,
Yes.
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 And the last one, she is having any ball?
No.
So how many are remaining without ball?
1, 2,
Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are there? How many kids are there without board? 8. 8. Now all of you please listen here. Here we have to cross out the kid with a ball. Okay? Cross out the kid with a ball. So first one you can see ball. Second one no ball. Next one. Third one no ball. Fourth one no ball. Fifth one you can see ball. Sixth one you can see having a ball. Seventh one no ball. And below you can see first one having ball, second one no ball, third one having ball, fourth one no ball, fifth one no ball, sixth one is having a ball, seventh one no ball. Okay. What is the question? How many kids with other activities? That means without ball. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 kids are with the other activities. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the answer is 8. I should explain once again. Marin, what happened? Marin, Justin, what happened? Ma'am should explain once again? No. Okay. So shall we move to next one? 12? Yes. Question number 12, solve the following. It's very simple, no? Particular column subtraction. And the question is
Answer 3.
9 minus 6. Marin, what is answer? 9 minus 6?
3.
Open 9 fingers, from that close 6 fingers. So you will get the answer 3. 9 minus 6, the answer is 3. 9 minus 6, the answer is 3. Are you ready? Shall we move to question number 13?
Yes,
Agne,
ma'am.
are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Agne, read the question. Agne, TS, read the question. Question number 13.
13 question finished.
Others, please be quiet. Agne, please read the question. Subtract. Louder.
3
3
from
from
9
9. Subtract 3 from 9 using
using the
number line.
number.
Subtract 3 from 9 using the number line. What is the meaning of this 3 from 9? 3 from 9. What is the meaning of that? 3 from 9.
9 minus
9 minus 3. 9 minus 3.
3.
Now,
9
already
minus
number
6
line is there
three.
or in the page. No, so you can just directly take the backward jumps. Which number you have to mark on the number line, Agne? Which number you have to mark on the number line? Which number we have to mark on the number line? 9. So let us mark the number 9. Now, how many steps? How many steps? How many jumps? How many jumps? 3 jumps. Is it in the left side or right side?
Back.
Left side, or we can say backward jump. Okay.
Back.
In the case of subtraction, we have to move to the left side, taking backward jumps. So 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. So where we reach which number? 6. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6.
Ma'am, 46 minus 77 is equal
9 minus 3 is equal to 6.
to 4. Ma'am, complete.
9 minus 3 is equal to 6. In the case of addition, we will move to the right side taking forward jumps. In the case of
Backward.
subtraction, we will move to the left side taking backward jumps. Now, shall we move to question number 14?
Ma'am, 14 question
Yes.
finished.
Aradik, NA, please unmute. Pradhana, please be quiet.
Questions
Pradhana, please. Okay, very good, very good. Those who have completed, very good. I know you all know how to do it.
ma'am.
Aradik, NA, please read question number 14. Ritvik, read the question 14. Subtract 34 from 77 using uh, vertical uh, subtraction. Using vertical subtraction. Subtract 34 from 77 using vertical subtraction. What is the meaning of this 34 from 77? 34 from 77. What is the meaning of that?
Minus 3.
77 minus 34. Now, both number having 2 digits, so 2 places. Here it is already written the places, tens and ones. Which is a bigger number here?
77.
77. So let us write the number 77. And below 77, we can write the number
34.
34. Now, at ones place, we have 7 minus 4. What is the answer? 7 minus 4, Ritvik? 7 minus 4. What is the answer?
3.
3. 7 minus 4, the answer is 3. What about the tens place? 7 minus 3. What is the answer? 7 minus 3?
4.
4. So 4 tens, 3 ones. The answer is 43.
43.
4 tens, 3 ones. The answer is 43. All of you got the same answer? 43.
Yes.
Austin, you got the answer 43?
Ma'am, Anna completed.
Okay. Those who have completed, please take page number 4. Page number 4. Shall we move to page number 4? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have completed page number 3. Shall we move to 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 4. Page number 4 having word problems.
Okay, ma'am.
Austin, please read the first one, question number 15. I will help you. Austin, please unmute and read. Very simple only. Read the question, try to read. I will help you. Question number 15.
Ram has
Very good. Ram has.
10 chocolates.
Very good. Ram has 10 chocolates. So let us round the number 10. Ram has 10 chocolates.
Okay, ma'am.
Now continue. Austin, continue.
Yes.
WHILE. While
While
another girl, RITA, Rita,
Rita
has 20 chocolates. Ram has 10 chocolates. Rita has 20 chocolates. Now continue. HOW. How many? More. 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 How many more chocolates
Rita.
T-O-E-S. Does Rita have? See, here Ram has 10. Ram has 10 chocolates. Rita has 20 chocolates. Who is having more chocolates?
20.
Who is having more chocolates?
10.
Who is having more chocolates? Tell me that.
Rita.
Rita having more chocolates. Ram is having only 10. Rita have 20. 20 is the bigger number. So that means Rita having more chocolates. Okay. And what is the question? How many more chocolates does Rita have? How many more than Ram? Yes. So we have to find out the difference. Difference between the numbers 20 and 10. Very good. So 20 minus 10. 20 and 10 both are two-digit number, having two places. Now let us write answer. Okay. Now let us write answers.
10 chocolates.
Yes, 10 chocolates. T and O, tens and ones. Below tens and ones, let us write the numbers. Here you can see which is a bigger number here. Which is a bigger number here? 20. The bigger number is 20. Bigger number is 20. So 2 10 0 ones. Smaller number? 10. 1 0 10. Now we are finding the difference. That means we have to subtract the numbers. So put a minus sign. Okay. And at ones place we have 0 minus 0. What is the answer? 0 minus 0? 0 minus 0. Answer is 0. And tens place we have 2 minus 1. What is the answer? 2 minus 1? 1. So we get 1 0. That means 10. So 10 chocolates. 10 you got it, no? 10 chocolates. So you can write
2 minus
Rita, R-I-T-A, Rita has 10. I will write once again. Here the space is less, that's why. Tens and ones. Now let us write here 20, 10. We will get the answer 10. So Rita has
10.
Rita has 10 chocolates more than Ram. Okay, Rita has 10 chocolates more than Ram. Rita has 10 chocolates more than Ram. M-O-R-E, more, E-H-A-N, than R-A-M, Ram. Rita has 10 chocolates more than Ram.
Rita has
R-I-T-A, Rita, H-A-S, has 10, 10, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S, chocolates, M-O-R-E, more, T-H-A-N, than R-A-M, Ram. Agnes completed? Yes.
chocolate spelling.
Manav completed the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Nana completed.
Right. Junaita Joshi completed.
Ma'am, Krishna Priya completed.
Okay, very good.
Sarah's completed. Maria
So
completed.
the remaining question, that means 16 onwards, we will write in the next class. We will continue in the next class. Okay. Let me stop sharing.
No, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
spelling.
Which one?
Chocolate is
It's already there in the questions, no? CHOCOLATES, chocolates. CHOCOLATES, chocolates.
Okay, ma'am.
Rita has 10
I'm
chocolates more
completed.
than Ram.
Ma'am completed. Ma'am completed. Idel Maria completed.
Okay,
Ma'am
okay.
Krishna Priya completed.
Okay, so we will continue in the next class. Okay. So thank you for joining. Bye bye. See you in the next class. The same I will forward in the group.
Bye, madam.
Bye, ma'am.